Unit 6 Mixed Review number 7. A YouTube playlist has 4 videos. Video 1 has a length of 7 minutes. Video 2 has a length of 4 and 1/10 minutes. Video 3 has a length of 3 and 1/5 minutes. Video 4 has a length of 5 and 1/2 minutes. How many more minutes were in videos 1 and 2 than on videos 3 and 4? And so we've got a 3-step problem here. We want videos 1 and 2 together, so that means we need to add 1 and 2 together. We need videos 3 and 4 together, so we're going to add those. And we have how many more? And so we're going to subtract. So step 1, we need to put videos 1 and 2 together. So video 1 is 7 minutes. Video 2 is 4 and 1/10 minutes. So if I add those together, separate your whole numbers and your fractions. Nothing plus 1/10 is 1/10. That won't simplify or anything, so we're good on that side. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we got 11 and 1/10. All right, now for step 2. So we need to combine videos 3 and 4 together. Video 3 is 3 and 1/5. Video 4 is 5 and 1/2. Adding those together. Fifths and halves, can't do that. We need to make them the same. So what can 5 and 2 both become? That would be 10. And so how does a 5 become a 10? We do times 2. And so times 2 on the top. 1 times 2 is 2. Then how does a 2 become a 10? We do times 5. And so 1 times 5 equals 5/10. Now 2/10 plus 5/10 is 7/10. That won't simplify or anything, so we're good to go on to the whole numbers. 3 plus 5 is 8. And so here we get 8 and 7/10. Now for the final step, we need to subtract those two answers. 11 is more than 8, so it's going to go on top. 11 and 1/10. And 8 and 7/10. And this time we're subtracting because we want to know how much more. 1/10 minus 7/10. We can't do that, so we have to regroup. Take from Bob on the cooking side of the pizzas. Take a pizza. That's 10 now. And we took away a whole pizza. Now pizzas here apparently are cut into tenths because we have a 10 denominator. So when we cut that pizza, it gives us 10/10 plus the one that we've already got. This one right here. And so we get now 11/10. Now we can do the subtraction. 11/10 minus 7/10 is 4/10. Now that will simplify because those are both even numbers. They'll both divide by 2. And so we get 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And now that side's done. 2 and 5 won't simplify. Whole numbers, 10 minus 8 is 2. Now if we put those together, we get our final answer of 2 and 2/5.